So now we're installing the central for operation orchestration central, and after that we will now set it up, then carry out the next installation for the studio. So now we've completed the setup. What we're going to do next is we'll have to check the database to see if our data is being installed correctly. So go to administrator and enter the details. And then we'll click on category and select OD data. That is populated. So now what we'll do, we just check if the installation was right by clicking on the MySQL administrator and selecting our database which we installed, and we can see that we have our data installed properly. So that's good. Go to the next step then. So the next step actually is to verify our service to just find out if we have the ROS center already installed. So we come here and here we go. So we have the ROS center, it's already started, and here we have the ROS JAS, and there we have the ROS scheduler. So we're all good to go. So the next thing we want to do here is to try to connect to our URL by pasting HTTP localhost, and the port number is 8443 /pass, which will enable us connect. And if we click enter, and here we go. Good one. So for us to test if we can log in, we just go in and put in admin and password. I'm not going to tell you. And here we go. So the first thing you see as an administrator is your dashboard, but we're not going to go into this now because we're still doing some configuration. So I would log out and we'll go into the next level. So now we'll try to run the studio installer so we can set up the studio. I think I've double clicked on it. Here we go. Okay, thank you for hiding. So we just click continue, accept that, and we have 8084 which is accepted, and the local host as a default. You may want to create an icon, and just install. And when it finishes, I would come back to you. So now it's finished. We just click on finished, and what do we do next? We open it. So where is it? So that's it there. It's taking a while to open. Oh, here we go. So here we just enter our password, which I'm not going to tell you what the password is again. And here we go. So this is where most of the configuration will be taking place. Um, in our in the next phase, we'll be looking at configuration from all these areas. Here we have operations, we have ITIL in case you're working on processes, incident management, change management, operations. Here we have all the sets of operation which are already set up, which we're gonna use um, as we go along in the next phase. So